I really like these earrings. It says Black Lives Matter. And for Black History Month, I want everyone to know that Black Lives Matter, including everyone else's. But just, you know, this our time to shine, that's all. Hi, I'm Day. Thank you for tuning in today. Today is a very special tutorial for me to do, so just stay tuned and see what look I come up with. So right now I'm going to just go in with my primer, the Lancome primer. You guys have seen it before if you watch my videos. Also with that, I'm going to color correct with the LA Girls orange concealer, and yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I just primed and color correct. So right now I'm about to do my eyes. Is the MAC Pro Longwear NC45. I'm going to put this here all over my lids, let it get a little tacky, and then I'm going to go in with the color that's in this L'Oreal Nude palette, this color here. And then put a tad bit in my crease of this brown. So when I do these tapping motions here, it builds the product, not take away. And I'm just doing very light tapping motions. And I'm going to wait a second so it can get a bit tacky. And then I'm going to go in with those colors that I told you about earlier. Once again, I'm using tapping motions to apply the color. Doing it really light, and once again, when you use this tapping motion on your lids, it builds up the product. And that's what we want. Probably both of these. And go into a little bit in my crease. Okay, I just wanted a really soft look with these lids. Make sure you blend good. I'm going to go underneath my eye with my NYX Jumbo pencil underneath my eyes and Milk, and then I'm going to go in with these three colors, this green and this gold. I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette in 35M Boss Mood palette, and I'm going to be using this color here. When I go in with the color, I'm going to be using a pencil brush. And this brush really helps when you really want to pack on a color. Everything. I'm going to go in with my handy dandy makeup wipe. I'm going to clean up everything, put on some lashes, and after that I'm going to do the face, and this look shall be complete. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner. Just a very thin line. That's all I'm going to do, because I'm not the best at this. So right now I'm going in with my foundation, and my foundation of today is going to be the L'Oreal True Match in C8. I've just been loving this. Like, I have a lot of different foundations, but I've just been really in love with this foundation because it's wintertime and it's not so matte. And I think a lot of times we can make the mistake of having oily skin and using matte foundations in the wintertime. Well, on this side, it's wintertime, and it dries your skin out. So that's why I've been really going in with moisturizing my skin and using almost like semi-matte or a foundation such as this. Like in the summertime, I cannot use this because it's too of a dewy look, but in the wintertime, it's wonderful and it hydrates almost. I'm still trying to use this brush because I bought it and I don't want it to go to waste. I'm still trying to see if I like it. I mean, I like the brush, but the handle is just so big. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer. You already know what it is. And I'm going to go underneath my eyes, clean this up just a bit, you know, do my regular highlight and put on everything else as far as like my powders and highlighter and everything in my hair. And I'm going to come back with the final look. Okay, this is the final look. See you in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much. Every view means a lot to me, and I truly appreciate it. Kisses. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye.